FIVDV agriculture model evolved through different projects and phases. It is a holistic approach to develop value chain and market linkage for small farm holders, particularly women entrepreneurs. The model introduced cost-effective organic farming technologies and storage systems. The technologies include rice husk incubation for duck hatching, integrated rice duck farming, vertical gardening, land care approach for optimum utilization of smallholder resources. New technologies are disseminated through farmer field schools run by farmers' associations. A participatory guarantee system for quality assurance and consumer trustworthiness has been developed as a collaboration between producers, technical resource people, and consumers. The model has made positive impacts on people's lives by empowering farmers with new knowledge and skills and strengthening their roles in the market. It has also ensured that consumers are guaranteed safe food for their health and well-being. The model contributed to food security, health and nutritional improvement and supplemental income to resource-poor households in communities affected by climate change. FIVDV's contribution has already been recognized and endorsed by different international organizations. We are looking for more opportunities to replicate and scale up the model to reach all resource-poor households to improve their livelihood, organizing them in community social enterprises co-owned by the smallholder farming families.